Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to fix old PC Windows 10 audio problem and easy solution. No audio devices are installed. Right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Select Sound, Video and Game Controllers, click Action, Add Legacy Hardware. Check Install the hardware that I manually select from a list, select Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Select USB Audio OEM Device, click Next. Plug sound card audio adapter in USB port. This sound card audio adapter available on Amazon. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.